Please enter your passport number. Click on Register. Use uppercase for the first letter of your name and your last name. The information entered will appear on the certificate of attendance or use. Only fields with an asterisk are required. Name, father's surname, mother's surname. If you don't use second last name, please write a line. Email address. Please confirm your email address. Telephone number. Address. City and country. Degree. Company or organization. IBAN number for tuition refund if the course is not given. Please complete the keyword field in order to make it easier for you to register for future courses, conferences, or seminars organized by Fegulen. The keyword must have at least 8 characters. Please confirm your keyword. It is required to accept the privacy policy. Press Register. Press the button to make the payment through TPV online. Press the button Send. Complete the information from your credit card and press Agreed. Thank you very much.